Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You need to begin by checking a few essentials. Confirm your iPhone model and that iOS is up to date, and verify your carrier supports Wi-Fi calling. Once done, connect to a reliable Wi-Fi network and make sure you can browse the web. Now open Settings and tap Phone. This is the first actionable step. Enabling Wi-Fi calling requires carrier authorization, so be ready to enter or confirm your emergency address if prompted. This gets you ready for the next configuration steps. In Settings, go to Phone and select Wi-Fi calling. This is where you enable the feature. Toggle Wi-Fi calling on this iPhone to allow calls over the network, and then carefully enter or confirm your emergency address. Carriers require this for 911 routing. If your carrier uses carrier settings updates, accept any prompts and reboot if requested. Make sure cellular calls are allowed to switch to Wi-Fi when the signal is weak. This helps avoid dropped calls and ensures proper routing for emergency services. Once enabled, verify by making a test call while on Wi-Fi. You should see a Wi-Fi calling indicator near the carrier name. If it fails, try basic troubleshooting. Toggle Wi-Fi off and on, enable airplane mode for a few seconds, then disable it, and restart the iPhone to refresh network settings. If problems persist, contact your carrier to confirm Wi-Fi calling is provisioned on your account and that carrier settings are up to date. That single check often resolves remaining issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.